Hi, good morning to all. See here today determinant problems, objective problems. Okay, right. See here. See here in this first question here. See here in this problem, here debt of. Okay, this debt value. Okay, this debt value. See here in this debt value here. So here in the solution here, in this solution. See here in this solution. So here debt of. Okay, debt of. Here 2004. Here 2005, next 2006, here 2007. Okay, 2007 this value. Okay, so here see here first column, second column. Okay, first column, second column. So changing this value. Okay, C2 goes to, see here in the C2 goes to here C2 minus C1. Okay, C2 goes to C2 minus C1, or C1 goes to C1 minus C2, or R1 goes to R1 minus R2. Take any one. Okay, your choice. Right, C2 goes to C2 minus C1. C2 changes. Okay, C2 changes. Here that is equal to, here in this value, here C1 no change. In this C1 value 2004. Next how many? 2006. Okay, 2006. Next is C2 minus C1. Here see C2 minus C1. 2005 minus 2004 is 1. This value. Okay. Next 2007 minus 2006 is this value is also 1. Okay, this value. See here that is equal to, here in this debt value. Okay, debt value. So in this value AD minus BC. Here AD value, here 2004, here minus AD minus BC, minus 2006. Okay, minus 2006. So that is equal to, here 2004 minus 2006 is, that is minus 2. Okay, minus 2 answer. Okay, right? Check this question answer here, minus 2. See here second option is right option, second option. Okay, in this model all problems same. Okay, write this question. Right, next two. So in this next problem here, so in this next question here, 1 plus a b c. Okay, this debt value is equal to 0, then a plus b plus c is equal to, okay, a plus b plus c value, a plus b plus c. Right, see here a plus b plus c. Okay, here adding rows here not common. Okay, here adding columns here, adding columns 1 plus a plus b plus c, 1 plus a plus b plus c, 1 plus a plus b plus c coming. Okay, common element coming. So here in this solution here, so here in this data, see here in this data c1 goes to, okay, c1 goes to c1 plus c2 plus c3. Okay, c1 plus c2 plus c3. So first column changing. So here data of, see in this first column adding these columns here. So in this first element 1 plus a plus here b plus c. Next how many? 1 plus a plus here b plus c. Next here 1 plus a plus here b plus c. Okay, first column. Second column no change. So this is b. Here 1 plus b, here b. Next how many value? c. 1 plus c is equal to here 0. Okay, see here in this value first column here 1 plus a plus b plus c is common. So that is 1 plus a plus here b plus c is common. Okay, next some debt value, that is equal to here 0. Okay, so this debt value is not equal to 0. So here this is 0. Here 1 plus a plus b plus c is 0. So here 1 plus a plus here b plus c is equal to 0. So here that implies here 0 intending is 0 total value. Okay, so here a plus b plus c value 1 taking in this idea. Okay, so that is a plus b plus c is equal to here minus 1. Okay, a plus b plus c value minus 1. Okay, minus 1 answer. Okay, a plus b plus c value minus 1. Check answer here. See here first option. Okay, first option, right option, first option. Okay, great. Write this question. Alright, next problem. See here in this next question. See here in this next question, already this question given in exam. Okay, repeated question, this question in objective problems. Right, see here omega is one of the complex cube roots of unity. Okay, complex cube roots of unity, then this value. Okay, complex cube roots of unity means, see here complex cube roots of unity means 1 plus omega plus omega square is equal to 0 and next many value omega cube. Okay, omega cube is equal to 1. Okay, omega is a complex cube roots of unity, this condition. See here in this value, here in this data 1 plus omega omega square 1 omega square 1 omega. So here adding columns or adding rows, take any one. Okay, rows or columns. So here first I take columns here. See, c1 goes to here c1 plus c2 plus next value c3. So adding columns here. So in this first column changing first column, so that is 1 plus omega square 1 plus omega square 1 plus omega square. Next in my second column here omega square 1. Next many value here omega square 1 here omega is equal to, right. So here in this data 1 plus omega square, this value is 0. Okay, replace 0 0 0. So in this first column elements 0 0 0. Okay, next in my second column omega square 1. Next one value omega square omega. Okay, omega square 1 here omega. Okay, right. So this value. See here in this determinant here, first column all elements are 0. The value of the determinant is 0. Okay, see here in any row or column all elements are 0, then the value of the determinant is 0, that property. Okay, see here first column all elements are 0, so this total value is 0. Okay, this total value is 0. Okay, this question repeated question in objective problems. Check answer here. So here in the second option is right option, second option. Okay, write this question. Right, next problem. So here in this next problem, the solution of the equation, the solution. Okay, here we calculate x values, here we calculate x values. Right, see here in this data here, see here x plus 1 2 3. Okay, 1 x plus 2 2 3. See here columns, adding columns here. Okay, here adding rows, not coming common element. Okay, not coming common element. See adding columns here, x plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 6. See here 1 plus 2 plus 3 6, 1 plus 2 plus 3 6 coming. So adding columns. So in this solution here, adding columns here, c1 goes to here c1 plus c2 plus c3. Okay, c1 goes to c1 plus c2 plus c3. Right, so here adding columns here, so data of, see in the first column x plus 6, next remaining value x plus 6, next remaining value x plus 6. So in the second column here 2, here x plus 2, next remaining 2. So here 3 x plus 3. Okay, x plus 3 is equal to here 0. Okay, see here in the first column here x plus 6 is common here. Okay, first column. So here that implies here, so here that implies here x plus 6, here x plus 6 is common. Okay, x plus 6 is common. Next column, first column 1 1 1. So here 1 1 1. Next second column here 2, here x plus 2, next remaining here 2. Next here 3 3, here 3 3, here x plus 3. Okay, x plus 3. Okay, right. See here in this first is equal to, here this is 0. Okay, right. See here in this first column all elements are equal. Okay, see here first converting into these two are zeros. Okay, 0. See here this is R2 R3. So here R2 minus R1. Next remaining R3 minus R1. Okay, right. In this operations here R2 goes to R2 minus R1. Next remaining value R3 goes to R3 minus here R1. Okay, right. So here x plus 6. So here x plus 6 is equal to 0. So that implies here x value is minus 6, one value. Okay, right. Next time when apply this row operations, first row is same. Okay, first row same. See here in the first row here 1 2 3 first row. Okay, second row changing R2 minus R1. See here 1 minus 1 0. So this value is 0. Next value x plus 2 minus 2 to get cancelled. Here x. Next value 3 minus 3 0. Okay. Next is here R3 minus R1. R3 1 minus 1 0. Okay, 1 minus 1 0. Next remaining 2 minus 2 0. Next remaining x plus 3 minus 3. So that is equal to, here x is equal to 0. Okay. See here in the first column operation, here 1 into AD minus BC. AD value x square. So that implies, see here 1 into, so in this first column operation 1 into here AD minus BC. AD value x square minus 0 is equal to 0. Okay, right? See here, first column 1 into AD minus BC. Okay, AD value x square minus 0. See here in this second 0 into 0, 0, all are 0. Next time here 1 into x square. So that implies here x square is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to here x value 0. Okay, right? X value 0, right? So here in this x values are two values. Okay, x is equal to minus 6. Okay, x is equal to here minus 6. Next here x value 0. Okay, here x values two values coming. Okay, check answer here, x value 0 comma minus 6. So here third option here 0 comma minus 6. Okay, third option 0 comma minus 6. Okay, write this question. Okay, next problem. So here in this next question, here mod of, okay, det value, okay, det of this value, det value. So here in this first column is check first column 1 1 1. First column all elements are same. Okay, converting into two elements as zeros. So here first this is R1, R2, R3. Okay, take columns or rows, your choice. Okay, I take row operation. Okay, see here in this row operation, here in the solution here, right, see here first operation here R2 goes to here R2 minus R1. Okay, next time money R3 goes to R3 minus here R1. Okay, see here first take this one det off. See here 1 1 1. Okay, first row same. Okay, second row R2 minus R1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 plus x minus 1 is x. Next time money 1 minus 1 is 0. Next many value 1 minus 1 is 0. Next 1 minus 1 is 0. Next 1 plus y minus y, that is y. Okay, okay, this value. So that is equal to, right, see here first column operation. Okay, first column operation, first column. So here 1 into here AD minus BC. Okay, so that is 1 into here AD value xy. Okay, xy minus 0. Okay, next 0 into anything is 0, 0 into anything is 0. So that is equal to in this total value 1 into xy. 1 into xy is equal to here xy. 1 into xy is equal to xy. Okay, right? See here in this answer is here xy. Okay, third option, right option, third option. Okay, write this question. Right, next. See here in this next problem. Next question. The roots of the equations. Here the roots of the equation. Roots means we calculate x values. Okay, x values. Right here in this data, the roots of the equation. Okay, right? See here in this second row, all elements are equal here. Okay, apply column operation. See here in this column operation. Okay, so here in the solution here, here C2 goes here C2 goes to here C2 minus C1. Next time value C3 goes to here C3 minus C1. Okay, right. See here column, second column changing, first column same. See in this first column here A, M, B, first column. Second column C2 minus C1, A minus A, 0, M minus M, 0. Next X minus B. Okay, X minus B. Next time third column, see here C3 minus C1, X minus A. Okay, X minus A. Next M minus M, 0, B minus B, 0. Okay, is equal to here 0 given. Okay, 0 given. Right, next det expansion. See here in this second row, see here second row. Okay, second row det expansion. So this is M into here M into, see here M into, okay, M into, see here second row, M into here delete this row into this column. Next time AD minus BC. AD value 0, AD, okay, minus BC. Here minus BC. BC value here x minus A into here x minus B. Okay, right, is equal to here 0. Right, see here AD minus BC. So here that is equal to 0. So here M taking this side here 0 by M is 0. Next time value x minus A into here x minus B is equal to 0. Okay, right? See here first here x is equal to A, comma here x is equal to here B. X is equal to A comma B. X values. Okay, A comma B. See here in this third option here x is equal to A or B. Okay, write this question. Right, next. Right. See here in this next problem. See here this problem, your textbook example problem. This question objective problems, repeated questions. So many times given this question. Objective. Okay. CET problem. See here. So here a square 1 plus a cube, b square 1 plus b cube, c square 1 plus c cube is equal to 0. Then abc is equal to, here abc value minus 1. Tick option in the exam. Okay. Minus 1. Right. See here in this proof here. See here first here. Here see here first row, second row, third row, 1 2 3 columns. Okay, right. First, okay, in this delta expression, splitting two determinants. Okay, splitting two determinants. First determinant value, see here in the solution, first determinant value, see here delta, first determinant value a square 1. Okay, right. Next one b, here b square 1. Next one c, here c square 1. Next one plus, in the second determinant is a square a cube, here a square a cube. Next one b, here b square b cube. Next one c, here c square, here c cube is equal to, here 0. Okay, right. See here in this first determinant is same. Okay, first determinant is same. This is the, here a square 1. Next one b, here b square 1. Next one c square 1. Next one plus, in the first row a, second row b, third row c common. So that is a b c is common. Okay. So here a common, here 1, here a common, a. Next one value a square. Next second row b common. So 1b b square. Third row c common. So 1c c square. Okay, right, is equal to, here 0. See here in this columns here a square 1. Okay, a square 1. So changing these two one time. Next time changing these two times. Minus in a minus, plus coming. Okay, so in this two determinants, here delta of a square, here 1. Next one b, here b square 1. C square 1 is common. This is common. Okay, this is common here. This is common. Next one value 1 here. Plus, okay, this is common. Okay, 1 plus this determinant is also common. Next one value abc. Okay, abc is equal to 0. Okay, abc is equal to 0. So this determinant value is not equal to 0. So this value is 0. Okay, so therefore here 1 plus abc is equal to 0. So here abc value, abc is equal to, here minus 1. Okay, abc value is minus 1. Check answer here. abc value minus 1. So here fourth option is right option. Fourth option. Okay, write this question in exam. Don't solve this in exam. Okay, direct tick answer minus 1. No change. So many times repeat this question. Okay, your textbook example problem. Okay, write this question. Okay, next problem here. Okay, today class complete. Okay, today you also one more time practice. Okay, practice notebook also. Already teaching these all problems. Okay, one more time, just important problems revision. Okay, one more time practice. Right, today class finish.